We're in MergeSort world, our quickest sorting algorithm. And first I want to show you, I guess, what it looks like. It doesn't look like much. It's not like bubble sort. It happens immediately. And so that's us sorting in MergeSort. You want to see it again? I guess not. It's fun, but the more impressive thing is how quick it was, right? It's nothing to write home about in terms of looks. That being said, let's go over what code you're gonna get. So you're gonna get this code. The first time you need to, so the first thing you need to do is you need to comment the code in the unwrap and rewrap function. So what ends up happening here is we're gonna do merge sort with just a one-dimensional array. But this is a two-dimensional array, and so we're going to unwrap it and rewrap it like we did before. We're going to unwrap and rewrap, okay? So we're going to first get all the shades and put them in this temp array, okay? So this temp array is the total length, and then we get all the shades and we put them in the temp array, okay? And then we're going to call merge sort on the temp array, this one-dimensional temp array that has all the shade values in it now. And then we're going to throw shade. We're going to set the shades of all the boxes, okay? You don't have to do any of this. You just have to comment this. So I want you to understand what this code does and really comment it, because that's going to be important. Also, you already did the unwrap part. You've already done this part because you had to do it for bubble sort 2D. So it should be a little bit of old hat. This part you haven't done before, but all you're doing is you're going through and you're setting all the shades of every box so that it looks sorted. Okay, so then the first thing is merge sort. You program the base case, you create subarray 1 and subarray 2, you make a for loop, or you use Java utils, right, to put one half of this shade array into subarray 1 and one half of this shade array into subarray 2. You call merge sort, which brings you back up here and keeps on happening, keeps on incepting until we hit the base case and return. And when these things return, well, they're going to be called merge on them, right? So the first time merge is called is going to be with array 1 and array 2 being of size 1, and then they'll be of size 2, and then 4, and then finally, it'll return back up. In this case, it'll be of size, I don't know, it's 20 by 20, 400? Is that right? Doesn't look like 400, right? Doesn't look like 400. That could be 400. I don't know. So this is merge, right? We take two things, so we're just merging them back up, right? And so just like we talked about before, and so it kind of walks you through it, make the indices, make the final array that's big enough to hold the contents of both. So the steps are really straightforward, okay? But it is very easy to make a mistake, just because there's a lot of moving parts. So I do this every year, and I try to redo it and stuff from memory, and I'm pretty good at it now. But before, I would make the dumbest mistakes, and I know where they are. Check it out, my parents. I'm not gonna pick it up. They're on their way here. Jeez, right? Jeez. That's a little bit of a merge sort. My family is merging. Okay, this is so stupid. So it should be pretty straightforward. But if you make a mistake, that's okay. You have the debugger. You can make sure each step is right. You can check it all the way through. So it should be something you can do. I think that's it. And so I think this is the last one we're going to do in terms of sorting. I know quicksort's there. We can talk about quicksort, and we'll talk about it when we talk about O of N stuff. But I think this is enough for this week because we have 8 programs. How many more programs can you do? So I will see you next week with a brand new video from the data structures files.